must join back to the bus point. And this is your bus point. All these lines that you draw needs to be joined back to the bus point. So you can shift this volume around, but it must join back to the bus point.
When you see when you cut the cloth, this part will be have more cloth already.
Which part? This part is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So this part will have more cloth. Some people what they like to do, right, is they'll open this up, then like kind of make the value about the same. So if I have two lines here, one dot here, one dot here, what I will do, right, to create the original princess line is to separate these two panels. So here I will curve, and this will become one panel, and then here, can you see from here, go all the way down, and this will be one panel. So I will omit this whole dot. It become two panels. Do you know what I mean? So if let's say for example, like this. If this is my bus, I will join, let's say for example here, this is one dot. I'm just saying if this is one dot, then this is one dot. I will cut out, where's my paper scissors? For princess line, I'll cut this out. This is one panel, then from the other side, I will cut this. This becomes one panel, then I'll sew them together. You see, I remove the two dots. So this is one panel, this is one panel, and then you sew them together. And this is your princess line.
But you have to put your seam allowance also.
Yeah, correct. So you need to put in your seam allowance in order to sew them together. Yeah. So this is one variation. Yeah. Okay, then if you notice over here, you can see that your existing dots might not be joined to the bus point, right? So what I'll do is purposely join it back to the bus point. The reason why, right, your dot is not joined to the bus point is because if let's say your dot is joined to the bus point and you sew this up, right, what will happen is that this pointy edge will be exactly at your nipple. So what we have done is we have reduced this. Remember, I don't know when you all are drafting out your front bodice, there's this 4 cm gap, right? That is the reason why, because we don't want to join back to the bus point. If not, it will be a pointy at the nipple. Yeah, so that's why after we join back, it's just to shift this position around. Once we shift it already, then we can draft back again to 4 cm and then join back. Yeah, so what I mean is this. So this example here shows you how to pivot your dart to the side seam here. Okay, once we are done, can you see we actually change back? Can you see first 4 cm and then we join back? Yeah, so I'll go into more details during the next lesson, but this is a generic idea of what dart manipulation is. Yeah, okay, that's all.